Hey, if you happen to be someone looking in the Raleigh market for an active adult 55 plus community home, then you're going to want to know that the median price right now for a new construction model is going to be around $525. But what if I told you that you could get into a brand new Toll Brothers luxury home for significantly less in a stunning 55 plus active adult community with resort style amenities, just minutes for literally everything? Well, if this strikes a chord, then you're definitely going to want to check out Regency at Auburn Station, right here in Raleigh, North Carolina, where I'm going to show you some gorgeous model homes with first floor owner suites, clubhouse with an awesome pool, pickleball courts, all within 15 minutes of downtown Raleigh and less than 30 minutes from RDU Airport. Oh, and I almost forgot, just down the street is one of the area's largest shopping centers, tons of big box stores, Target, Dick's Sporting Goods, BJ's Wholesale Club, literally everything right around the corner. Definitely stay to the end of the video because I'm going to show you guys some exclusive financing incentives that could save you thousands of dollars. Okay guys, what do you say? Let's get this show rolling right now. Hi guys, Michael Sanders here with RE/MAX United, your native Raleigh realtor. Okay, so today I'm out here in Raleigh. I'm over at the brand new Regency at Auburn Station, which is Toll Brothers' newest 55 plus community that's located just 5 minutes outside of downtown Raleigh. The Raleigh suburb of Garner is just around the corner from here, which is one of Raleigh's fastest growing suburbs. Okay, first thing first, the location. This community is located in a pretty strategic spot. From out here, you're just a couple of minutes from I-40 and US 70, which is going to get you over to I-540 really quick. Literally everything in the triangle you can get to just around the corner on 540. This is somewhat of a little secluded area right between Garner and Raleigh. It's really got a perfect balance between privacy and convenience out here. If you're someone who really likes a lot of convenient travel options, you're going to love RDU. They have just added quite a few nonstop options over there. So if you're a frequent traveler, it's also going to be quite a bit less expensive flying in and out of RDU versus somewhere like Charlotte Douglas. Another huge benefit of this location is that you're only about 15 minutes from Wake Med Raleigh campus, which is Wake County's only level 1 trauma center. Having world-class medical care this close is a major advantage. Regency at Auburn Station is going to be extremely convenient to all your nearby shopping. Just down the street's White Oak Crossing Shopping Center. These shopping centers are going to have literally everything. There's Target, Best Buy, Kohl's, tons and tons of restaurants. If you live in this neighborhood, you're never going to have to travel much over 10 minutes to get to pretty much anywhere shopping-wise. Now, if you're a golf enthusiast like myself, then you're going to want to know that Pine Hollow Golf Club is only about 5-6 minutes away from here. It's also going to be open to the public. From this location out here, downtown Raleigh is only going to be about 15 minutes away. And if you're a beach lover like myself, then you're also going to want to know that the closest beach, Wrightsville Beach down in Wilmington, is going to actually be less than 2 hours from this community. You just hop on I-40 just around the corner, keep going east, and boom, you're right there. Check out these awesome amenities that they're building out here. Here's the exclusive Regency Clubhouse where they're going to have a resort style pool that's actually pretty much ready to open. Right here is the future fitness center. Got treadmills, free weights, all kinds of exercise equipment that I myself should really be working on, if you know what I mean. And over here is the pool that's literally just probably getting ready to open up here in another couple of weeks, probably Memorial Day weekend. It's gonna be packed out here. This is gonna be really popular, especially in North Carolina summers when it gets a little toasty, as you might say. But yeah, this clubhouse, phenomenal. You're gonna have 24-hour access. There's a key card entry system that lets you in over here. Then over here, there's a huge open field area. So, you know, if you wanna get out, you know, with your pup, play around out here, perfect location for anything of that nature. And here's something that you might find really interesting, especially if you've been pricing out some of the other 55 plus active adult communities in the Triangle area. Right now, out here, the HOA fees are a little bit less than what you'd probably expect in a neighborhood with all these amenities. You're only looking around $250 a month, which is going to be significantly lower than the average of like around that $390 to $400. You get all these amazing amenities plus a low maintenance lifestyle at an incredible value compared to a lot of these other communities with a lot higher HOA fees. If you're thinking that this type of community might be something that's right up your alley, then definitely give me a call, shoot me an email or text. I can set you up out here on a private tour of any of these homes and give you some additional information about some of the incentives that aren't advertised online or that's going to be available to you if you go directly to the builder. You got to call me first. So out here, Toll Brothers is going to have 3 distinct open concept collections. They're going to range all the way from the smaller Journey series to the mid-size Discovery, all the way up to the larger Excursion series. They're going to range in size starting out at around 1,440 square feet, all the way up to a little bit over 2,900 square feet. They're gonna have 2-bedroom models all the way up to 4-bedroom models. They're gonna have up to 3 full bathrooms, and they're gonna also include 2 and 3 car garage options. Now the pricing out here is gonna start around the mid 400s, which is pretty phenomenal when you consider the quality of these homes out here. Okay, so quite obviously one of the biggest benefits of moving into a 55+ community is the fact that every single home out here is gonna have a first floor owner suite, which is pretty much a no-brainer if you're looking at an active adult community. And another thing that's really awesome, out here, you're gonna have some expanded custom design options. So if you pick a home out here that's early enough along in the home building process, you're gonna be able to go over to the Toll Brothers Design Center where you're gonna be able to create the home of your dreams, literally. Now today, I'm gonna show you guys 2 of the different homes that are gonna represent different lifestyles and needs, and they're gonna show you from what you're gonna be able to get in on the low end all the way up to something more on the high end. So you're gonna be able to look and see what's like in that 450 range all the way up to like 530 range. Okay guys, right now I'm over here at this Devin Transitional model. Now, this home is gonna be in the larger series out here in the community. This is gonna be probably the biggest design. This is actually 4-bedroom, 4 baths, 3 are full. You're gonna have some really nice spacing in here, a great layout. This is gonna be really perfect for someone who is gonna have maybe family coming over, you got extra space. As a matter of fact, the second half level is gonna be set up with a full bedroom, a full bath, plus a huge bonus area. Let's go inside and check it out. So guys, another thing I really love about this neighborhood is most of the homes on the perimeter are gonna back up to some really nice hardwood trees. Check this out. So you got tall pines, oak, bordering a pretty awesome community trail. And you're gonna have dog way stations over here, privacy fencing, very peaceful backyards over here. So just imagine, in the morning and the afternoon coming out, having a cup of tea, having a cup of coffee on your private porch area in the shade, even some with outdoor kitchens. Backing up to the walking trail and these tall shade trees. You probably have, some of your friends out walking in the morning and in the evening. Say hi to them. This community is set up perfect for getting to know your neighbors and having just a real communal feel, having fun and going golfing and doing all kinds of activities with your friends in the neighborhood. Okay guys, right behind me is the Beckley Classic model. This is going to be in that smaller series that Toll Brothers is building out here. So this is going to be a 2-bedroom, 2-bath model. These are going to be priced more of that entry level $450, $475 range versus the larger 4-bedroom models that are more in that $550, $575 range. This particular one is going to have a owner suite in the back. You're going to have a owner suite bath, pretty sizable. Then in the very front of the home, you're going to have a slightly smaller guest suite, also with a full bath. And then you're going to have a decent sized living area in the middle with an open kitchen concept. So what do you say? Let's go check it out. If you're someone who's been considering buying a Raleigh area home and maybe you've been sitting there for months and months on end looking at YouTube and trying to get help, trying to figure things out, and you just don't know where to turn, then definitely give me a call, drop me an email, shoot me a text. I'd love to be able to help you guys the same way I've helped a ton of other people. By the way, if you reach out to me, then you're going to be actually speaking with me, myself, and I. You're not going to get passed off to somebody else that you have no clue who you're talking to. You call me, you're actually going to be speaking with me, Michael Sanders. Also, I'd really love it if you take half a second and hit the like button below. By doing so, YouTube promotes my channel to more people like yourselves who might need some help navigating the Raleigh area real estate market. Thanks, guys. I really appreciate it. Now, remember that exclusive financing I mentioned earlier at the beginning of the video? Well, here's the deal. For a limited time right now, Toll Brothers is going to be offering a 2-1 buy-down program on select quick move-in homes out here. Now, what does that mean to you? You're going to get significantly reduced interest rate for the first 2 years of your mortgage. And we're talking like 4.49. Then the second year, it's going to bump up to around 5.49. Then the third year and beyond, 6.49 for the remaining 27 years of the loan. And if you call me, Michael Sanders, before reaching out to the Toll Brothers group, then I can tell you even more about some other offers that I can negotiate on your behalf that you're not going to get with another realtor. Oh, by the way, guys, while you're at it, if you want to check out some of the other top 55 plus communities over in the town of Wake Forest, where I tour an amazing 55 plus community, you're going to want to check out this video right here. Hey guys, again, if you're considering buying or selling a Raleigh area home and you'd like some help, then definitely reach out, give me a call, text, email. I'd love to help you guys the same way I've helped hundreds of other families across the triangle over the last 10 years. Whatever you do, guys, don't make a mistake. Get Mike and get moved.